ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు దీప్తి జాబ్ అప్డేట్ ఛానల్. మీలో ఎవరైనా ఫస్ట్ టైం కనుక చూస్తున్నట్టయితే మన ఛానల్ అయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అయితే చేసుకోండి ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఈ రోజు అయితేనండి ఎవరైతే డిగ్రీ కాలేజ్ లెక్చరర్స్ మైక్రోబయాలజీ రాస్తున్నారో వాళ్ళకి ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ అయితే మేము ముందుకైతే తీసుకొచ్చాను ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ అనేది డిగ్రీ కాలేజ్ లెక్చరర్స్ మైక్రోబయాలజీ రాసేవాళ్ళు లేదా గురుకుల డిఎల్ మైక్రోబయాలజీ రాసే వాళ్ళకి చాలా యూస్ఫుల్ అవుతుంది ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఒకసారి మీ ప్రిపరేషన్కి యూస్ఫుల్ అవుతుందని కూడా మేము ముందుకైతే తీసుకొచ్చాను. అండ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎలా వస్తాయి, ప్యాటర్న్ ఎలా ఉందో తెలుసుకుంటే మనం ఒకసారి ఐడియా ఉంటుంది ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఎలా చదవాలి, ప్రిపరేషన్ ఎలా కంటిన్యూ చేయాలనేది మనకు తెలుస్తుంది. సో దాని ఉద్దేశంతో నేను ముందుకైతే పేపర్ అయితే తీసుకొచ్చాను. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఫస్ట్ నుంచి లాస్ట్ వరకు చూడండి. ఇవన్నీ నెక్స్ట్ పార్ట్ 2 క్వశ్చన్స్. మ్యాచ్ ద కాలమ్ 1 విత్ కాలమ్ 2 ఇన్ రిలేషన్ టు ప్రోటీన్ స్ట్రక్చర్ అండ్ లెవెల్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్. ప్రైమరీ స్ట్రక్చర్, సెకండరీ స్ట్రక్చర్, టెరిషరీ అండ్ క్వాటర్నరీ స్ట్రక్చర్. సో ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ 33:2 is a correct answer. So primary structure is the older amino acid residues in the polypeptide chain. Secondary structure is 1 is a correct answer. Hydrogen bonded arrangement of the polypeptide backbone. Tertiary structure is 4 is a correct answer. And quaternary structure is a 3 is a correct answer. Subunit interaction oligomers is a correct answer. Next question. Which one of the following atom does not give NMR signal? C13, O17, N14, F19. 2 is the correct answer. Next question. Amino acid cannot be separated by paper electrophoresis, TLC, ion exchange chromatography, gel filtration. So answer is 4 is the correct answer, gel filtration. The following statement is correct about Michael-Menten kinetics. 2 is the correct answer. Km, the kinetics constant, is measure of the affinity the enzyme has for its substrate. Next question. Separation of immunoglobulin G under reducing HDS phase analysis gives dash protein bands. 1, 4, 2 cannot separated under reducing conditions. Answer is 3 is the correct answer, 2 bands. Next question. The ionization of proteins in MALDI MS is achieved by. Answer is 3 is the correct answer, short pulse of laser light or radiation. Next question. Which one of the following is an antigen, not an immunogen? BSA, ergosterol, growth hormone, egg albumin. 2 is the correct answer, ergosterol. Acute inflammation typically involves influx of macrophages, influx of mast cell, influx of neutrophils, influx of basophils. 3 is the correct answer, influx of neutrophils. The most abundant immunoglobulin in saliva is IgA immunoglobulin, IgE, IgB, IgD. A is the correct answer, IgA immunoglobulin. Next question. The FAB region of an immunoglobulin is responsible for binding of antigens, binding of Fc receptors, binding to macrophages, binding to neutrophils. One is the correct answer, binding of antigens. Next question. Class 2 MHC protein are found on the surface of B lymphocytes, macrophages, dendritic cells, T lymphocytes. Here is the 2 answers correct, macrophages and dendritic cells. Both the second and third answers are correct answers. Next question. The primary lymphoid organ responsible for B cell development in humans: bone marrow, thymus, thyroid, skin. 1 is a correct answer, bone marrow. Next question. Dash is a pro-inflammatory cytokine. Interleukin 4, interleukin 3, interleukin 6, interleukin 10. Interleukin 3 is a correct answer. Next question. Identify the selective medium for hybridoma cells. Tmac medium, HAT medium, nutrient agar medium, DMEM medium. 2 is a correct answer, HAT medium. Tuberculin reaction is an example of type 1 hypersensitivity, type 3 hypersensitivity, type 4 hypersensitivity, type 2 hypersensitivity. 3 is a correct answer, type 4 hypersensitivity. Next, match the following. A is an autoimmune disease, B is an affected organ or areas. Two is a correct answer. So, myasthenia gravis is related to skeletal. Goodpatcher syndrome is related to kidney. Rheumatoid arthritis is related to cartilage. Hashimoto disease is related to thyroid. Addison's disease is related to adrenal gland. So option 2 is the correct answer. The next question. Fermentation industry produces lactic acid. It's a main product using glucose syrup as a substrate with 100% efficient production strain Lactobacillus species. If it ferments 10 gram of glucose into lactic acid, what is the quantity of product produced and percentage of C recovery? One is the correct answer. 20 gram and 50% is the correct answer. Next question. The following one is not the fermentation product. CO2, O2, lactate, ethanol. 2 is the correct answer. O2 is the correct answer. Next question. The following statement is not true in the definition of fermentation process. 4 is the correct answer. This is not true about fermentation. Never requires an electron transport system. Next question. Antibiotics are usually produced in fed batch reactions. The reasons are the presence of precursors which are not useful into the cells, gives higher yield when cells enter into the stationary phase, higher yields when cells enter into log phase, higher yields when cells enter into lag phase. 1 is a correct answer, A and B. The presence of precursors which are not useful to the cells gives higher yields when cells enter the stationary phase. Next question. In practical industrial microbiological process, there must be an efficient and economical mass scale method available for dash and dash of the end product. Recovery purification, isolation preservation, preservation disposable, development labeling. 1 is the correct answer, recovery purification. Yield coefficient means conversion rate of substrate into biomass or product, production time of biomass or product, production total biomass or product, conversion efficiency of substrate into product. 1 is the correct answer, conversion rate of substrate into biomass or product. Next question. The penicillium is used in the production of soft ripened cheese, soft unripened cheese, semi-soft ripened cheese, hard ripened cheese. 1 is the correct answer, soft ripened cheese. Penicillium camemberti is used in the production of soft ripened cheese. Next question. Single cell protein from Picha angusta produced from molasses, methanol, whey, methane. 2 is the correct answer, methanol. Next question. Match the following SCP production process substrate. BEL process, Simba process, Pekilo process, protein process. So 2 is the correct answer. BL process is related to V. Simba process is related to sulfate liquor. Pekilo process is related to methanol. Protein process is related to potato processing waste. Next also match the following questions. Methods of sterilization and its application. Hot air oven, filtration, UV, steam sterilizer, gamma radiation. 4 is the correct answer. Hot air oven is related to glasswares. Filtration is related to serum. UV is related to biosafety cabin. Steam sterilizer is related to culture media. Gamma radiation is related to packed foods. So 4 is the correct answer. Next question. This is also match the following questions. Match the organism on the left side of the phenomena, on the right which the best corresponding to the context of canned food spoilage. 1 is the correct answer. Bacillus species is spoilage is flat sore spoilage of tomato juice. Clostridium sporogenes is spoilage of surface growth of must odor. Bacillus stereothermophilus is related to sulfide spoilage. Penicillium species is related to flat sore spoilage of corn. Clostridium nigripans is a spoilage of D is the correct answer. Purification of anaerobic spoilage. Next, pasteurization is treatment of milk at high temperature treatment, steaming treatment, low temperature treatment, high and low temperature treatment. First one is the correct answer. High temperature treatment. Next question. Common food poison microbes are Salmonella and E. coli, Streptococcus clostridium, Salmonella and Clostridium, E. coli and Clostridium. 1 is the correct answer. Salmonella and E. coli. Next question. TA spoilage of canned food occurs at pH between the 5.3 and 4.5, pH between 4.5 and 3.7, pH below 3.7, pH above 5.3. 2 is the correct answer. pH between 4.5 and 3.7 is the correct answer. The calcium binding protein present in the rhizobium and bradyrhizobium. Lectins, leg hemoglobin, nitrogenase, richardson. 4 is the correct answer. In anoxic ammonia oxidation known as anamox phenomena by microorganisms and anoxic wastewater treatment plants supplemented with NO3- oxidized ammonia to N2. Which of the following reaction correctly represent the phenomena? 2 is the correct answer. This equation is correct answer. Next question. In chemolithotropic oxidation of ammonia to nitrate by nitrifying autotrophic bacteria, the oxidation state of nitrogen changes from dash to dash. 2 is the correct answer. +3 to +5. +3 to +5. The autotrophic bacteria that reduces nitrates to free nitrogen. Nitrobacter, Nitrosomonas, Nitrosococcus, Theobacillus dentifrium. Theobacillus denitrificans. 4 is the correct answer. The most effective pesticide is organophosphate, carbonates, organochlorines, organonitrates. 3 is the correct answer. Organochlorines. Next question. The upper region of trickling filters is favorable for the growth of bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae. Fungi is the correct answer.